Hi all, thanks for joining again. Welcome to one more AI powered session with artificial intelligence. Today we are going to learn how to install a large language model through LLaMA and into the Docker. First of all, let's understand what is Docker. So Docker is an open source containerization platform that allows continuous like CI/CD pipelines, allow developer to package application and their dependency into the standardized units. That is called container. So basically, container is a place where we can continuously integrate and continuously deploy our applications. So today's what are the key features of it? Portability, efficiency, and productivity. So when you continuously, if you know your work environment, in that you can continuously integrate your applications in your container. Suppose you have a various environments like developmental, testing, and your higher environments. In that continuously you can integrate and test, you can develop and then deploy. If something comes in the tiny portions of your requirements, you can try to deploy it out, and you can Docker will allow you containerization of each of your features in the different environments. So here in the container, if you see in this today's session, will not get into the detail of the container Docker architect. You can basically get it into Google it out, or you can try on your own. But for us, what we can do today, we'll install the Docker, we'll get the Docker image for the LLaMA, and then we'll try to pull it out. If you see data flow diagram, installation flow and features, install the LLaMA, then pull the Docker image into that, run the LLaMA in the Docker container, and portability, run on system supporting Docker, resource constraints, control memory, CPU uses, and isolation is run on separate. So why we need Docker and LLaMA in a need of it? If you see advantage, we don't need any signups, we don't need any emails. We run it privately, and it will be secure here. And in LLaMA, whenever we are running on your private local systems, in that you don't cost any money. So we will overcome the monetization as well. So let us quickly navigate to we'll download it quickly. So it is you can download from here based on your Docker site. If you see you have a Mac system, you can download according to your basically whatever your system configurations, based on that you can try it out. And if you have a Mac Intel chip, you can download this. Here Windows 2 specifications are there, editions, AMD 64, ARM 64. Basically Windows 11 runs on AMD 64. So I have downloaded it. Let's see how it goes. If you see it is downloading, and meanwhile let's see the LLaMA models here. And if you see in the LLaMA site, I am in the LLaMA official site, and in this if you see there are so many models are involved. And if you see here Quen decoders, Seek, LLaMA 3, and you can see their size, and accordingly you can download it. So Mistral 2 123B model excels at using tools, explore database, multiple files, and codebase as well it is allowed. And GPT OS, last time we have seen on this, it's a versatile developer use case model, and it is agentic task, which is you can say separate it out, stand out from others. And Mistral 3, this is a family design for the edge deployment, capable of running on a wide range of hardwares. And DeepSeek R1, this is a family open reasoning model, performance wise approaching for the leading. Can try it out on Docker itself. So today we'll go for tiny llama. This model will go and we can try it out. And for our day-to-day activity of testing, there are few use cases we will see. Let's go. Mine already downloaded. I'm now navigating there. I'll open the Docker image now and I'm installing. Install the Docker, then we'll pull the Ollama image there and then we'll start it, check if it is Docker running or not. Then we'll go and run a small application, small API call to the Ollama. So here if you see Ollama Docker setup, Docker compose YAML file, I'll show you once we installation done. Then Docker, first of all, prerequisite needed, installation Docker from docker.com, get Docker. So that first step we are done with here. And second thing, the Docker compose will install and then we'll try it out. And third, ensure is Docker running. First Docker installation is going on. Use VLS2 installation, it is asking. Allow. Just a second. Okay. This is done. It will definitely take some time. So thanks for joining back. So here once you Docker download and you install on it, then you have to close and restart your machine. So I just come back from restarting my machine. Here the installer again asking me whether it is for work or it is for personal. So as you can see, I'll go for personal and I'll go by logging with my Gmail. So here continue, because I am going to do for my personal usage. Give accept all cookies. Create your username, it is asking in the Docker. So I'll give Swarna and send me associate product update. Validation failed. So here cannot use username, choose a different one. Okay, someone has the same name. Windows subsystem. Okay, it is asking me, but I am not in a Linux. I am in a. Let me restart it out. Press any install key to Windows also. But I am in Windows, I don't know why it is asking for Linux. I'm not going to cancel it out. Docker, I don't need it. I can cancel it out. So you can see down here this engine is stopped. So I'll just, it is happening. So I'm starting the Docker engine, just for some background CLI runs. It is done. Okay, it is starting now. Meanwhile it is starting, let us navigate to our documentations and Visual Studio. We'll open it out and we can try. Let me quickly open Visual Studio. Before that, we'll navigate to now Visual Studio and see if we can. If you see left side here, container is there, images, whichever the images we need to search it out, like LLaMA or any other large language model, it will show here. Then volume is here. I'll show you current shortly. Whatever configuration for this, we'll run from Visual Studio and check it here. And your builds will come here. If you are doing CI/CD pipeline and continuous integration and deployment, you can check it out here. Kubernetes related clusters, if you have, basically company, whenever you can easily relate. So clouds, various environments will be here, details, but we will not go details into that now. Later point of time, if needed, we can make a separate session and come back to here. So let us go to Visual Studio now and we'll try to, let me show you that. And you might have just now I showed you where you can see the container volume and all these details were there. So volume, what we have given, minus LLaMA / models and / run and LLaMA. And port, whenever you run at local host, because we are running in our own local premises, so in that we need a port number and LLaMA runs on 11434. And that's why here we have given that port number specified. This is the basic. Whenever you create, either you can create in the Docker system itself, in the wherever we have started, give a container name, then pull the image name and add it, then give the container name, volume name, then port number you specified, save it and come here and reuse it. Or either you start here the Docker and pass it everything, and so that it will create there. So we are taking the second approach. And here LLaMA models are there. If you see LLaMA model name, LLaMA model. To run the Docker compose, you must open the folder, and here I am trying to run it. So let us go. No, I don't want to save anything. So you see, we came here. If Docker / version, we'll check if Docker running or not. So it has given us Docker version 29.1.2 and build is there. So one more thing I can try here to check if it is running or not. So let me quickly give that command as well. So let me pull it out. Running just pulling my prompts and checking it out. So this is running on our end and our file is running, and let's check docker info if it is working or not, and we'll put some. Okay, quickly putting that notepad. I'll pull my daily works. Okay, this is done. Docker version is coming. Let's see docker if it is test with container. Run a simple container to check the functionality. Here I can paste it. Okay, it is not finding the image. Publishing pull complete. Share the image automatically. Workflow more with the free docker IDs. Okay, for example, so that file is locally not available, so that's the reason it did not. So let us we'll pull now. So here we'll run it out first. Let's see. As you can see here, it started pulling and creating the Docker image for the Ollama. So I have already explained, this is Ollama image details, and then container name is Ollama. Volume will be like in the root.ollama, and port number will be 11434, and we don't want to stop it unless we tell explicit stop. It won't restart, so we have given command for that, restart unless stop, and model is Ollama model. So you can see, let me pull the terminal up so that you can able to understand here. So we are now the YAML file, whatever configuration we have given, it is starting now. So it is running and it is pulling. If you see here, MB is 365, 73, 2.16 GB. It's really a good size model, I can say. Meanwhile it is pulling, we can try it out. Yes, if you see, now it has run and it has created. Let's see if Ollama is run on the Docker or not. So it has been given, if you see, it has a big number of flashy commands, roots, configuration visible. I did not see any error here while pulling it out through YAML file. When we run it through from Visual Code, VS Code and Ollama, if you see, Ollama set spread. So all these flashy stuffs are here, images in, total blocks in. So it is successfully done. I didn't see any error. Let me quickly take you to now to Docker. If you see, this is our Docker. We have created Ollama inside this, and if you see here, let me quickly navigate between the Docker systems. Here you see Ollama is here, and let's see image it is been created or not. If you see Ollama, whatever name we have given, it has been done. And volume, if you see module, 2 minutes ago we have created, and all set. I'll just delete this one, I don't need, delete forever. And we'll try to do it images as well. Hello world, we'll go for tiny llama pool. So as you can see here, it was I just downloaded tiny llama into the Docker now, the large language model tiny llama now inside the Docker through Ollama. So I have executed the Docker execute /it Ollama pull tiny llama. So from cell command I tried here. So I was trying to check the multiple channels if it is communicating or not. If you see here, I have already pulled it and it is working as expected. And let me quickly, so this is all done from our end. So we have installed Docker today, we have installed Ollama in the Dockerization, and we have also tried so also we have tried what you can say, pulling a large language model into the Ollama system. Let us quickly check how it is in Docker now. Let me quickly access the Docker through that. I'll open this. Let's see if it is there. Yes, it is here. And quickly let us navigate and check how it is. So this is Ollama and Docker. Ollama Docker is there. Then this is our configuration files, and this is compose files within that. Then go to the image Ollama, and if you see, this is image ID, perfect. And let's go to check. So but it's a best way to hassle free, various site sign free, toggling between various sites to get your things done. It will be on your end and you can try it out locally. And let me quickly go here. Let us try to hassle free, but it is a time taken process for definitely. So what we can do now, we'll check in the local host if it is working or not. So I'll go here and we can try. Let me check. This is window Docker almost connected. I can run it there itself for you. I'm just copying a local host and close it. Go to the almost, we are done. Okay. Here. Proceed for Docker desktop. If you are able to see now, I have given localhost 113. Now you can see Ollama is running. Yeah, that's it. We have done. So let us recap what we have done. Today we have get the Docker installed. Today we have done Ollama into the Docker, and we have downloaded a large language model into the Docker, and we have also run the locally, and here we can get the Ollama model is running up and running. And now next is we can give some commands and we can get the things done. So we'll learn this next week. Stay tuned, stay with me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please consider for candidate for a subscription. This is Swarna signing off. Thank you. Thanks.